Hello guys, hello students. This is senior college mathematics and topic is arithmetic of finance. In this topic you learn everything about money in your day-to-day transactions. If you are in SS1 to SS3, you are preparing for WAEC, NECO, GC, NAPTEP, JAMB, or any other external exam into high school, this topic and this lesson is for you. Sit and learn what you should learn from it. Okay? Lesson 8, Profit and Loss 2. So lesson 8 is a continuation of lesson 7 when we started profit and loss. Okay, examples. Before then, for update, follow voice of Petakus. The voice you are hearing is the voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Let your friends, your classmates get to know of it. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram at t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at Petakus education community, where you have access to quality, unlimited, and simplified mathematics teaching from the very scratch. Okay, now example 28. A shopkeeper buys 40 kilograms of fruits for 120 naira. He sells 20 kilograms at 5 naira per kilogram. That means 1 kilogram is 5 naira. 10 kilograms at 2 naira per kilogram, and the remaining 5 kilograms at 50 kobo per kilogram. Calculate the A, amount he realizes from the sales. B, total profit. C, percentage profit on his outlay of 120 naira. Okay, so 3 rounds of sales took place at various prices. So that will take us to sales record. Let's get the sales record. The first is 20 kilogram at 5 naira per kilogram. So if 1 kilogram is 5 naira, it means 20 kilogram is 100 naira. 20 kilogram, that is 5 times 20. The next round of sales is 10 kilogram at 10 naira per kilogram. That means if 1 kilogram at this round is 3 naira, the 10 kilogram becomes 30 naira. The other one is 5 kilogram at 2 naira per kilogram. That implies that the 5 kilogram is 10 naira. The last round of sales is 5 kilogram at 50 kobo per kilogram. So if at this stage 1 kilogram is 50 kobo, then the 5 kilogram becomes 5 times 50 kobo, and that is 250 kobo. To have uniform currency, you have to convert the kobo to naira, and you know 1 naira is equal to 100 kobo. So you divide 250 kobo by 100, and that gives 2 naira 50 kobo. So the total kilogram is 40. If you add up the total amount, that gives 142 naira 50 kobo. So A, amount realized from the sales is 142 naira 50 kobo. Now if you compare the amount realized and the cost price, the selling price is higher. That means he made profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price, and that is 142 naira 50 kobo minus 120, and that is 22 naira 50 kobo as the profit made. C, percentage profit. You know the formula from previous lesson. The formula is selling price minus cost price over cost price multiplied by 100. So selling price, the selling price minus cost price is already 22 naira 50 kobo over cost price is 120 times 100. If you multiply and divide, you have 18.75%. That is the percentage profit for carrying out that transaction of buying and selling of fruits. Okay. Example 28. Example 28. A radio which a dealer bought for 6,000 naira and marked to give a profit of 30% was reduced by 10. Find the final sale price, the percentage profit. Okay. The selling price is first needed before the final one, because the final one now is reduced by 10. So you have to get the selling price from the given information, where the cost price is 6,000 naira and percentage profit is 30. If you recall the formula for percentage profit, it is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100. If you insert all the information given to you into the formula, you have it this way. Okay, this 60 here is 20 for 100, removing 20 for 6,000. So you are left with 30 equal to selling price minus 6,000 all over 60. If you cross multiply, you see 80 multiplying 60 in this form. When that happens, you have 1,800 equal to selling price minus 6,000. You collect like terms. This negative 6,000 comes and meets 1,800. It becomes negative plus 6,000 equal to selling price, and you have selling price when added is 7,800. Reduction in selling price is by 10%. So it's either you calculate 10% of 7,800 and you remove it from it, or you reduce 100% by 10. It becomes 90. You calculate 90% of 7,800, which is quicker to do. So if you calculate 90% of 7,800, it becomes 90 over 100 times 7,800, and that is 7,020 naira. That is the final selling price. Then percentage profit is the formula is this. You insert all the necessary information. You have this. By the time you subtract and divide, you have 1,020 naira divided by 60, and that is 17%. So the percentage profit at the end is 17%. 17%. Okay. Example 30. a trader makes a loss of 15% when, okay, for an article, find the ratio selling price ratio cost price. Selling price ratio cost price. All right. Now, initially, selling price and cost price are 100%. But you know, a loss occur when cost price is higher than selling price. That is this formula here. So in this case now, we give preference to cost price since loss occur. Now, see, cost price is already 100%, so we need to find selling price. So in terms of percentage, you take selling price to the left, it becomes positive. Then you take loss, everything will be cost price percentage minus loss percentage in terms of percent now, because the given value is 15%. So you have 100 minus 15, that is 85%. So the ratio is selling price ratio cost price, and that implies 85 ratio 100. The highest common factor of 85 and 100 is 5. So if 5 divides, you have 17 ratio 20 in lowest form. So that is the ratio you are asked to look for in that problem. Okay? Wow. End of lesson 8. And the voice of Petakus is saying, thank you for taking your precious time to learn and follow this lesson to the end. He is wishing you unlimited success in all your endeavors and pursuits in life and career. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. Where this lesson is coming from, many more are coming your way. So watch out for more from time to time. All right. For questions, inquiry, for any challenge, you can contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number, or send him email through that email address. For complete package of this topic, lesson 1 to 14 for offline usage, you want to have access to it offline anytime, any day, you can also contact the voice of Petakus at a very little token. The complete package will be delivered to you. Okay. Lastly, if you know you are not safe, your life will be in crisis. So to avoid that, you give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is coming very soon. If you are saved already, I tell you, big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Take good care of yourself. Stay out of trouble. Stay well. Do the needful at all time. And goodbye for now.